Hello boys and girls and welcome to my channel. Insurance companies and financial companies have a concept called straight-through processing in which a transaction gets processed automatically without any manual intervention. A transaction becomes non-straight-through when there are certain elements in its process that is not understood by a machine. When a transaction is straight-through, then the product or the service is delivered to us customers instantly. For example, if you are purchasing health insurance and if your transaction is straight through, then the service, which is your health insurance soft copy, is delivered to you instantly. However, in case your transaction is non-straight through, then the service delivery is delayed, which means that the soft copy of your health insurance policy will be delivered to you with a little bit of a delay. We as customers should also be proactive and should know the probable reasons of the delay and should assist companies in getting the service delivered to us instantly. Hence, I decided to make this video in which I explain the probable reasons why the transaction becomes non-straight through in a health insurance parlance. The reasons why the service delivery to you could be delayed while you purchase health insurance, so that we as customers can become proactive and can get the service delivered to us instantly. So without any further delay, let's get today's video started. In case you want similar videos on your timeline or your feed regularly, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The first reason why a transaction becomes non-straight through while purchasing health insurance is because of any additional documents that could be required by the company. Any transaction above 1 lakh rupees in health insurance purchase will be mandated with a KYC collection, which means KYC documents will need to be submitted for all transactions that are valued above 1 lakh. In case you're a customer, please make sure that you ask your advisors about these documents. And in case you're an advisor watching this video, please make sure you ask your customer to submit these documents proactively so that their policy can be issued instantly. The second reason a health insurance proposal becomes non-straight through is because of the pre-policy medical checkups that get triggered by companies. In case consumers, that is you and me, declare some ailment in the proposal form, the company might want to know more about these ailments, and hence, depending on the seriousness of the ailment, they could trigger a medical checkup. This medical checkup can either be done at home or it can be done at the diagnostic center that is appointed by the company. They are simple tests like complete blood count, fasting blood sugar, routine urine analysis, SGOT, SGPT, etc. The results of these tests are shared with the companies by the diagnostic centers, and they can also be shared with customers on demand. Depending on these results, the company can either choose to accept or reject the proposal of the customer. So be prepared to undergo these tests and also review these reports if required and accept the decision of the company, which could be as per their underwriting guidelines. The third reason why a proposal can become non-straight through is because of any additional documentation that could be required by the company. This additional documentation or information could pertain to your past medical history, to any surgeries that you would have had in the past, discharge summaries of any hospitalization that you would have had in the past, and so on and so forth. So be prepared with all the medical history documents that you might have before buying your health insurance policy. The fourth and the last reason why a health insurance proposal could become non-straight through is because of any additional premium that could be applied to a proposal by the company. In case the company finds during pre-policy checkup that a customer, that is you and me, suffers from an ailment that could result into some possible claims in the future, the company might decide to accept the proposal but with the slight additional premium. This could basically cover the claim costs that the company could incur in the future. For example, in case a customer suffers from type 2 diabetes, the company might decide to onboard this customer but may ask him for some additional premium for some additional conditions that he might encounter in the future. So we must be ready to pay any additional premium from our pocket in case we are aware of any ailment that we suffer. This additional premium could range from 5% to 25 to 30% depending upon the seriousness of the ailment that an individual suffers. So these were the 4 conditions that could delay the issuing of the health insurance proposal from the company's side. In case you want to know about any of these conditions in detail, please do mention it in the comments section so that I can respond to you. In case you want to get more videos of personal finance or related to health insurance, please do subscribe to the channel because I make one video a week. And if you like this video, please do share it with your families and friends. They'll definitely find it useful, and please do click the thumbs up button. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day.